All right, now we're going to get started on observing bird voices and recording them on our map. So I know a lot of people who do bird maps. Really only a couple of them can really say that they're experts at doing this. I am definitely not an expert, so I'm just going to give it my best guess as I go along here. Right now, we are not aiming for perfection. We are just practicing this, and we're just getting used to observing bird voices and giving it our best guess and recording what we think are baseline voices and alarm voices on our maps. So don't put too much pressure on yourself, just try to have fun with this. All right, I'm going to try to talk really quietly. If we were doing this in person, I would try to be silent and just point to things that I'm hearing, but that's a little bit tricky to do when you're not here with me, so I'm going to talk very quietly every now and then to explain what I'm doing. But for the most part, I'm going to try to just point to the sounds that I hear. Right, I've got my two colors ready to go, and I'm just going to do my best here. I don't know if you can hear that, but there was a very quiet bass line voice this way. It was kind of far, so I'm going to draw my circle here for a bass line voice, and it's not right next to me. It's a little further south. I hear another bass line voice from over here, but that one's a little bit closer, so I'm going to do it kind of close to the east. I hear another little chirp that sounds like a bass line. I think it's the same bird, so I'm going to draw another circle around it to show that I think it's the same bird. I heard another song, but it was more this way. That's the same bird with a bass line voice. I hear this one again. Bass line. I heard one really far this way. I heard one a little bit closer this way. That same one again. A really far away one. It would be off the map if I was drawing it. Oh, and there's this one again. I heard a different one kind of in between these two. It was hard to hear over that lawnmower or whatever, but there was one here. And if you want to skip ahead a bit and do a shortcut to when I'm done with this, that's fine. But if you want to watch in real time with me, I'll keep the camera rolling here. Here one, here. It's hard to hear over the other sounds, but I do still hear some in this direction here. I think this is a good time to pause it because you can hear there's some machine started up and it's going to be really hard to hear the bird voices over it. So for right now, ooh, that was a good one actually. That was real close. That was almost right next to me here. Alright, that's the last one I'm going to do, and then I'm going to stop and talk about it.